Hi, this is John with Transoms Direct. This video is about our most common exterior product, a wood transom that is fixed in place. If you're interested in transoms that can open and close or windows made from other materials like vinyl, go ahead and watch this video for some general information, but do check out the links below to learn more about our other products. Fixed transoms are often placed above a single door, like a front door, or above double doors, or as standalone features above a shower, along a wall, or in a kitchen. Our exterior grade transom windows are made from red grandis, a bioengineered rot-resistant wood that can last 30 years or more when properly maintained. All of our transoms are built to order with custom measurements to fit your specific installation. We allow you to customize nearly every part of the transom so you can match that beautiful oak or mahogany front door. You can order super efficient low E or tempered glass and even customize the number of panes in the window for certain models. When you're ready, order your transom directly from our website. Best of all, your one-of-a-kind transom is delivered directly to you in just a week or two. The core of every window we build is the transom window sash, like you see here. You will set the measurements for this transom sash to match your door, window, or opening for the perfect fit. Many of our customers call us with an opening they need to fill above an exterior door. When you visit the planning section of our website, we have detailed instructions and videos customized for your specific situation so you can measure and order the right transom for your project. All exterior windows need a window jamb. The jamb acts as a sort of adapter, fitting the thinner transom sash into your thicker wall. We can include a custom jamb with your order, or you can build it yourself. Like any proper window, the bottom jamb of our windows, commonly referred to as a sill, has a gentle slope to help moisture drain away. If you're placing the window in a standalone application, not above a door or window, consider having us extend this bottom jamb with a full weather sill. For standalone windows, weather sills make installation of the window into siding or brick just a bit easier. Check out our video linked below to see if a weather sill is recommended for you. Whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or plan on hiring a professional installer, transom windows are super easy to install. When you're ready, check out the planning and installation sections of our website. We have help on finding an installer, how to measure, and the installation steps for your particular application. Thanks for watching.